Hi, good day everyone. We are now on part 4 on the series of videos on the Mathematics 10 tutorial. Finding the certain number of terms between two given terms of arithmetic sequence is a common task in studying the arithmetic sequence. What if we need to find the terms in between two non-consecutive terms? We call this topic as the arithmetic means. We can fully understand this topic if we have an illustrative example. Consider this as an example, the first illustrative example in arithmetic means. Insert for arithmetic means between 5 and 25. We need to write a representation or illustration on how this problem clear for us to solve. Here is the illustration. We are going to insert 4 arithmetic means between two non-consecutive terms. Meaning to say, if we have 4 arithmetic means between 5 to be followed by 4 arithmetic means 1, 2, 3, 4 before the last term 25. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number of terms. This second term is the a sub 2. The third term will be the a sub 3. The fourth term is a sub 4. And this will be the a sub 5. This 5 is considered as the first term. And this 25 is considered as the last term or a sub 6. Now, we cannot determine these unknown terms here if we do not know the common difference. Ang pinaka-concern dito is on how to find the common difference for us to complete this a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and a sub 5. You need to use arithmetic sequence notation or to be able for us to get the value of the common difference. The given are, the first term is 5. The last term or the a sub n, or we can consider this as the a sub 6, is already given as 25. Value of n is how many terms are there? So we have 6. By the way, this sequence is not an infinite sequence, but this is considered as a finite sequence because it has a last term. How do we solve for the common difference before we can get the answers of this? Using the notation, we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 multiplied to the common difference. Since a sub n is already given, so this becomes 25. And this a sub 1 first term is 5 plus the value of n is 6 subtracted to 1 multiplied to the unknown common difference. We need to transform this into d equals to something. But before that, this value, we need to transfer this to the other side as a common term. So positive 5 becomes minus 5. The remaining values on the right sides are 6 minus 1 is 5 times d, it becomes 5d. So this 5 becomes minus 5 by elimination in basic mathematics. And this 5d came from 6 minus 1 is 5 times d is 5d. So what will happen to these numbers? 25 minus 5 becomes 20 is equal to 5d. So we need to remove that 5 so that we can find the value of the common difference. How is it possible? We need to eliminate or divide both sides 5 divided by 5. Kung ano yung magiging number dito, yun yung i-divide natin. Basic elimination process in transforming equation. If this is 6, 6 din sa baba. So therefore, this will become 1. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So the value of d is equals to 20 divided by 5 is 4. This will be our partial answer to be able to get this. At this point, if we are going to rewrite that 5, as we all know that we can get the next term by adding the common difference. So 5 plus 4. So our first answer, or the value of A sub 2 is 9, which is this one. Then the next one, 9 plus 4 is 13. So the value of the third term is 13, which is here. Then the next one, add again, 13 plus 4, 17. So therefore, the value of the fourth term is 17. Fourth term is 17. Then, we add again by 4. We have 21, which is our fifth term, is 21. So that's the fifth term. And the last term, 21 plus 4 is 25, which is already given here. The unknown value of the second, third, fourth, and fifth term are 9, 13, 17, 21. Therefore, the arithmetic means between 5 and 25 are 9, 13, 17, and 21. That's all. Thank you very much. And don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Learn Mathematics.